Hello everyone, my name is Manu. My topic is about internal mobility in the organization. First of all, we will see what is the meaning of internal mobility. Internal mobility refers to the changes of role that a worker may choose to engage in within the organization, shifting from an organizational unit to different one, performing different activities. The worker may choose to engage in within the organization. They change their role, shifting from one organization unit to different one. They will perform in different activities. In the other meaning is the lateral or vertical movement of an employee within an organization is called internal mobility. The lateral or vertical movement, that is promotion, transfer, demotion. All we know what is promotion. Vertical movement of an employee from one job to higher post, involving higher responsibility and higher rewards. And transfer is lateral movement of an employee from one job to another with the same job ranks, functions and responsibility. Demotion is it is a vertical movement of an employee to lower level to of grade with lower responsibility and lower remuneration. Next we will see need of internal mobility. Open position that the company advertised through job opportunities reserved to internal staff. The first job opportunities reserved to internal staff. An opening position that the company advertised through the job opportunities are reserved to internal staff. The role transition that become necessary due to organizational or strategic changes, problematic situation, or personal reasons. Due to organizational or strategic changes, a problematic solution, or personal reasons, that a role transition that become necessary. Next, internal selection. To the end of enhancing and developing the skill of its human resources, the foundation offers job opportunities to internal staff through process of recruitment and selection dedicated to its employee and collaborators. These are real opportunities for professional and personal growth for those workers who intended to bring into play their knowledge, skill, and aptitude in different professional fields. Enhancing and developing the skill of its human resources, the foundation of job opportunities to internal staff through the process of recruitment and selection, who are intended to bring into play their knowledge, skill, aptitude in different professional fields. These are real opportunities for professional and personal growth for those workers. Next, transition of new role. Sometimes internal mobility may arise from different organizational changes, processes. It can actually occur due to innovation, strategic choice that certain activities might undergo changes in the way they are managed or might not be any longer necessary for the organizational and worker in charge of such activities needed to be assigned a different task. In the one company or organization, some departments are working under that company due to innovation or strategic choices. After some longer period, such activities are not needed to the company or organization. That time company will decide to close that department and activities. But some workers are works under that department. They will lose their works. That time company will assign or give different roles to workers. For example, in the one factory there is a many department of this cashew department, almond department, etc. After some longer period, the company was by one machine for cashew department. That machine needs only 3 workers. But earlier many workers works under cashew department. But now workers lose their works. That time company will give new role to them to work under another department based on their skill, knowledge, like that. Next, we move on promoting internal mobility in the organization. First one, set clear goals and metrics. Identify one or two specific goals that you want to your internal mobility program to address, such as improving engagement or reducing high potential turnover. Next, settle one metrics that track back to goals and identify what data you will need to track and analyze in order to measure success. It says that to improving engagement or reducing the high potential turnover. When it is possible, is identify only one or two specific goals what you want your internal mobility program to address. Then next one, set the metrics that track back to goal and identify what data you will need to track and your success. Next, be transparent. Clearly articulate that internal mobility is important to your organization and why by translating your goals into policy. It is internal mobility is more important to your organization and why by translating your goals into policy. That one clearly articulate. Then make it a part of company culture. Build and invest in career transaction, learning, mentoring and coaching in order to ensure sustainability and the long-term success of your internal mobility activities. To ensure sustainability and the long-term success of your internal mobility, build and invest in career transition and in order learning, mentoring and coaching in order. Then help managers to identify high potential employees. High potential employees have the ability, aspiration, values and commitment to grow within your organization and be successful in your more critical position. High potential employees always have the ability, values and skills, talents to grow within our organization and be successful in more critical position. Any critical position in the company, that time the high potential employees will manage it. And it is provide learning opportunities that make sense. Lateral often require additional training to prepare an employee for new responsibility and skills. Ensure that these learning opportunities are flexible for your employees can really take advantage of them. The requirement of additional training to prepare an employee for new responsibility and skills. These opportunities are very flexible and employees can really take advantage of them. The additional training, it is for purpose, good purpose of training to prepare an employer for new responsibility and more skills, more knowledge, more talent, flexible. The employees can really take the more advantage of them. Then encourage multi-directional career transition. Up is not only way to go, as the organizational chart becomes flatter with more collaboration and cross-functional teams. Enable your employees to apply their skill, talents where they make the most sense. As the organization is flatter with more collaborators and enable your employee to apply their skills, talents, knowledges where they make the most sense. Then importance of internal mobility programs. The focus on internal mobility is driven by the significance of employees as corporate assets and the understanding that skilled workforce in the cash multiplier. To focus on internal mobility, it shows the significance of cash multiplier of an employer or employee's workforce. The it it focus on internal mobility. Uh, what the workforce to an employees, that is that shows the significance like cash multiplier. Then increased attention paid to employee mobility and internal rate employment is often a result of the reduction in corporate growth plans and external hiring due to economic conditions, merged or reorganization. The increased attention paid to employee mobility and internal rate employment is often a result of the reduction in corporate growth plans. Then workforce trend also come into play. Workforce trends is worker skills, talents, knowledges that also come into play where it is needed. Then labor shortage that exist in specific functions and industries are forecast to spread, especially as the demographic of the working population shift with the aging. In specific functions and industries, labor shortages, especially as demographic of working population shift with aging, that are forecast to spreading. The labor shortage that exists in specific function and industries are forecast to spread, especially as the demographic of the working population shift with the aging. Thank you.